Hi, we are the Fix Up team. My name is Chinaman.
My name's Amanda.
And Fix Up stands for Focusing into Extraordinary Untapped Potential.
So today we're going to be helping you with your time management. The first thing we're going to do is tell you a brief definition of what time management is. Then we're going to talk about the consequences of having bad time management, you lazy people out there. We're going to talk about the benefits of having great time management, and we're going to give you some tools and some steps as to how you can improve your time management. So the definition of time management is this: simply being able to use your time wisely.
And you know what? The consequences of not using your time wisely could be so bad. You know why? Because you start getting frustrated. Now imagine you've got that perfect moment, that moment that's saying, I'm gonna get an A, I'm gonna do my exams, I'm gonna be the best, I'm gonna be a champion. And then, I need to send this tweet really quickly. You start tweeting, you start poking people on Facebook, and you start just going out, and then your exams are there, your exams are just round the corner, and you're saying to yourself, do you know what? I'm gonna get to it. How many people just say, I'm gonna get to it, I'll get to it eventually. But you know what? You don't, and you start revising the night before, trying to cram everything. You don't remember everything, so you start getting frustrated, you start getting stressed out. And you know what happens, yeah? You start forming habits that cause failure in the future. And you don't want to be a failure, you want to be a success. So start managing your time well, and here's how.
Yeah. That's the consequences, but here are the benefits of having good time management. Firstly, you start having good habits. You set yourself up for good habits. Now, I'll be honest with you, when I was in college, I was late every single day. Like, I thought I could just get away with it. My teachers were cool, they were like, yeah, don't worry, I'll just mark you in. And I thought I could get away with it. But I realized that by the time I started work, I couldn't get away with that. When you come to work late, you'll get fired. It's that simple. So you have to start setting up the habits now that will take you into the future so that you don't find yourself failing because you've set bad habits. Now, the second thing is this. How many of you guys have ever had to lie to your teachers? Now, just be honest, you've had to lie. If you're listening, teachers, just close your eyes, don't look. But basically, we have said to our teachers, I lost my homework, when really you just didn't do it because you didn't make time to do it. Or I'm late because of the bus, when really you just woke up late because you didn't set an alarm. So basically, it's your time management that is causing you and teachers to have friction. Certain teachers might be they don't even want you in their class anymore because you're always late or because you never turn in work on time. And you're thinking, what's wrong with her? What's wrong with him? No, what's wrong with you? If you change your time management, then they won't have anything to complain about and you can actually get along with your teachers. So that's the second thing. Now the third thing is, don't you want to be certain that you're going to pass? I do not want to turn up to an exam and have to be stressed out, crying, worrying, thinking, am I going to pass? I don't know if I know enough, I don't know if I know enough. If you've revised enough, there's one girl, she's sitting in the exam room, she's chilling. She's chilling. Everyone else is stressed out, but she's chilling. Do you know why she's chilling? Because she knows the stuff. She knows she did the work and she put the effort in. So you want to be certain, and that reduces your stress. Because everyone else in the room is going to be crying, but you could be the one chilling because you know that you know the stuff. Now the final thing is that you don't want to be working all the time. You want to go out, you want to have fun, you want to socialize, but you've got to put time, you've got to allocate time for that. If you know you've got a timetable on your wall that says I'm going to revise from this time to this time, and then after that I'm going to watch my favorite show. I'm going to revise from this time to this time, and then after that I'm going to go to my friend's party. You can set time for socializing if you've got a plan. But otherwise, you'll just be on Facebook poking people and then you'll fail all your exams. So get your time management sorted out, guys. It can be done.
It can be done, and I'm going to show you how it could be done. First thing you're going to want to start doing is make a list of all the important things you have to do. The important things you have to do are what? Exams. Let's just use that as an example. Let's say you have an exam coming up in a few months' time. That is your priority because you want to pass. Now, no one is saying that going out to play football is bad or going to do your hair and chilling with your friends is bad or anything like that. But you know what? When you start prioritizing that time and saying, I'm going to say, this is more important, you're going to start focusing your time onto that.
Lovely. Once you've made that list, you can write down how doing those tasks are going to make you feel, as in what's the result of it. Because you might not feel like revising, but you're like, when I get my A, I'm going to feel like this. Or if you might not feel like exercising, but you're like, when I'm fit, I'm gonna feel like this. So think about what those tasks will mean to you in the long run.
Yeah, and you know what? Sometimes you'll do things and they'll feel good, but think about how bad you'll feel if you don't finish those tasks as well. So you have to keep that in your mind. And remember, we're not telling you not to have fun. All we're saying is allocate time for fun. Fun is a good thing. We all need fun. Even the busiest companies, the richest people, everyone has leisure time. Everyone has fun. So you need to just say, I'm going to allocate this amount of time to have fun.
When you allocate specific time to have fun, you allocate specific time to work. So you might be a person that says, I want Saturdays off, or I work best in the morning, or I work best on weekends. So if you know what time works best for you, that's the time you put on the calendar, that's the time you put in your planner and say, that's my work time.
Also, friends. Ask your friends, say to someone, do you know what? I'm struggling, I need help. Can you keep me accountable?
Yeah.
Watch my progress. Ask your friend to watch your progress. Ask your friend to manage your time, help you. If you're falling a bit off track, let your friend be there to help you get back on track.
And the final thing is this, you have your mantra. You can keep yourself in a positive mood, keep yourself inspired and motivated by telling yourself, I am amazing, I can do this. And that's, I am amazing, I can do this. And the more you say that, and the more you put yourself in a positive mood, you're more likely to get the results that you desire.
So, we know this has been helpful for you, so don't forget, follow us on Twitter and check out our Facebook page. So until next time,
No more excuses.
make it happen.